front and center. All right. Let's do it. Let's shave my fucking head. Hold on. Oh, I just stepped on some fucking like wood or something. All right, we're going down to nothing. So we got the Adam pillow back there and all that shit for good luck. This is gonna be weird. I gotta move my mic down. I can't really see chat at all or this. Fuck. Okay, whatever. That's fine. All right. All right, you guys ready? Why did I fucking agree to this? Should I do a mohawk first or something with this? Ah! Oh my, why am I doing this right now? Ah! Dude, I stuck a chunk out. Holy shit. Oh shit. I'm gonna shave off just half. By the way, I have a wedding. I have a wedding in like 2 weeks. So that's gonna be fun. Alright. Dude, my hair was so long, I haven't got a haircut in like 2 months. I don't even know if I'm doing a good job. I'm kind of just going at it. Dude, holy shit. There's literally hair all over the place. Alright, let's take the guard off. Let's take the guard off. Ah! That hurt. Let's go this way. such a fucking bad job. I need to get this cleaned up like tomorrow. Leave it like this. I'm doing the worst fucking job right now, literally. Dude, what do you mean? This is the worst. This is so bad. It's literally so terrible. Holy shit. I shaved half my fucking... Look at this. Half my head shaved. I should have gotten a fucking mirror for this, dude. I should have definitely gotten a mirror. What are you watching? You're literally watching, like, the most scuffed fucking hair shaving in the world. That's what you're watching. Ah! It's gone. Hold on. Let's get rid of this big piece in the back. Alright. Okay, hold on. Alright. Pretty good. This is good. Pretty good. There's fucking hair everywhere, dude. I mean, yeah, there's a pretty big chunk back there, but... Oh yeah, there's a big chunk there, huh? Alright. Alright. I'll get it cleaned up tomorrow the rest of the way. I'm literally covered in fucking hair right now, dude. Why did I agree to this shit? Anyway. Holy fuck. Try to get this shit off me. So much hair, dude. Okay. And thank you much, Dalton Gang for the Prime. Rectomes for the sub. Ed of Spade. I hope you... Okay. Okay, no cancer jokes, please. And then another bit's from Bumboy. Hello, Pulse. How are you? Archron for the 7 months. Let's go. Sinner B for the tier 2 16 months. Come on, KG. See that bald head? I need to get this cleaned up, but yeah. What else? Go Lakers Young, thank you for the 13 months. Neanderthal George. Thank you. Killer Flash, thank you for the 23. R6 Esport for the Prime. Thank you. How much money to shave? Why are you guys spamming this shit? I'm not shaving my fucking... Like, look, I have literally no hair on my head to shave. What do you guys want? What? What are you guys are just spamming this shit over and over again? I look like a 50-year-old janitor. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. Dong Gang, thank you for the Prime. True story. I think you look better with a shaved head. You should rock it. I'm actually getting it cleaned up, but what? You're just spamming how much money to shave. I'm not doing my eyebrows. Actually, there's okay. My mom actually was like, "Do not shave your eyebrows. Whatever you do." She's like, "They don't grow back the same. They get fucked up." I'm not even kidding. Dude, I have hair literally fucking everywhere. I should have just like IRL streamed this from my phone and got it done like at a barber. I'm not shaving my eyebrows, dude. I'm not shaving eyebrows. Thank you for the 5 hush. You guys are saying like balls and stuff. I'm not getting banned off Twitch for shaving my nuts. I'm bald though, no hair. Anyway, I mean, there's like chunks of hair that I like missed because I did a fucking terrible job doing this. But I'll go to a barber and I'll get it cleaned up. I'll get it cleaned up. I highly regret this decision. I really do. I really, really regret this decision. Shave my chest? No, thank you. I don't think you're allowed to not have a shirt on Twitch. How am I going to explain this to the barber? Can you imagine when I go in? He'll be like, I haven't seen you in a couple months because I haven't got a haircut. I haven't got a haircut in like 2 months, by the way, because I like was just lazy. I'm just going to walk in and be like, what happened there, buddy? What happened there? You lose a fucking bet? Yeah, kinda. Kinda. From world champion to this. From world champion to shaved fucking head. I also have to go to a wedding in 2 weeks. How do I explain this? Anything much Kid You Tech for 13 months? I missed it. No? Well, you get to see the after results. Anything much No Space Match for the bits? How are you going to explain to the bar? Yeah, how are you explaining to the barber? And Exusi? I'm saying that right for the Prime. Thank you. I'm not doing eyebrows. Oh my god, you guys are the fucking worst. How much money to shave my eye? I'm not shaving my eyebrows, chat. They don't grow back the same. I'm not fucking up my eyebrows. Literally, you guys have the worst suggestions ever. It's literally just like, it's like how can I get this man banned off Twitch? Shave your fucking nuts. Shave him on stream. Wax your fucking tits. Show the back here. Look good? Is there a big chunk back there still or something? There's a big piece back there still? Oh yeah, there is a fucking. I feel it. I feel a huge ass piece of fucking hair back here. I did not do a good job. I did not do a good job. Alright. Alright, chat. That's about it. What? What are you guys spamming? Alright, look. I will see you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm bald as shit. No hair. No hair. I have hair actually all over my arm. I have a giant chunk on my back. I missed a huge piece. Probably missed a lot more than just the back. But, alright. Hold on. Let's do all this stuff. Twitter's right there. I'm not shaving my eyebrows. I said 4 a.m. Close enough. YouTube channel's there. Second YouTube channel's there. Instagram's there. This stuff's all in the... I have a huge piece of hair, like, here. This is not gone. This is... Okay, I definitely need to get this cleaned up tomorrow. But anyway. Anyway, follow, turn on notifications. If you're looking for YouTube, Twitch. If you're on YouTube, all these links are in the description. All these links are in the description. If you're on Twitch, all of them are in the panels below. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for 10,000 subs on Twitch. I have no hair. This is weird. I really have no hair. Oh, wow. Alright. Later, everybody. I see you tomorrow. 4 p.m. probably. I might sleep an extra hour. We'll see.